As soon as they got up from the table, he went around to each one present and said, Thank, thank you and good night. When the Christmas feast was over, everyone got up from the table. The rat trap sailor went around to each one present and thanked them and wished them good night. But when he came to the young girl, she gave him to understand that it was her father's intention that the suit which he wore was to be a Christmas present. When the rat trap sailor came to the young girl, she let him understand that it was her father's will that the suit which he was wearing was to be given to him as a Christmas present. He did not have to return it. She told him that he did not have to return it, and if he wanted to spend Christmas Eve in a place where he could rest in peace and be sure that no evil would befall him. She also told that if he wanted to spend next Christmas Eve in a place where he could rest in peace, she assured him that no evil would happen to him. He would be welcomed back again. She told the rat trap sailor that he would be welcomed back again. The man with the rat traps did not answer anything to this. The rat trap sailor did not answer anything to this. He only stared at the young girl in boundless. Boundless means unlimited. Amazement means surprise. The rat trap sailor only looked at the young girl in unlimited surprise. The next morning, the iron master and his daughter got up in good season to go to the early Christmas service. The next morning, the iron master and his daughter got up in good season and they went to the early Christmas service. Their guest was still asleep. Their guest, the rat trap sailor, was still sleeping, and they did not disturb him, but they did not like to disturb him. When at about 10 o'clock they drove back from the church. When at about 10 o'clock, they means the iron master and his daughter drove back means came back by carriage from the church. The young girl sat and hung her head even more dejectedly means gloomily in low spirits than usual. The young girl sat and hung her head even more dejectedly means gloomily in low spirits than usual. At church, she had learned that one of the old crofters of the iron works had been robbed. Robbed means looted by a man who went around selling rat traps. At church, the young girl had come to know that one of the old crofters of the iron works had been looted by a man who went around selling rat traps. Yes, that was a fine fellow you let into the house, said her father. Now the iron master said to her daughter in a sarcastic manner. The iron master said that the rat trap sailor was a good fellow who was allowed by her to stay in the house. I only wonder how many silver spoons are left in the cupboard by this time. The iron master was wondering that the rat trap sailor might have stolen all silver spoons of the house. He might have left nothing in the house. The wagon means carriage had hardly stopped at the front steps when the iron master asked the valet whether the stranger was still there. As soon as the carriage stopped at the front steps, the iron master asked the valet whether the stranger means the rat trap sailor was still there. He added that he had heard at church that the man was a thief. He means the iron master said that he had heard at church that the man means the rat trap sailor, was a thief. The valet answered that the fellow had gone and he had not taken anything with him at all. The valet answered that the fellow means the rat trap sailor had gone and that he had not taken anything with him at all. On the contrary, he had left behind a little package which Miss Williamson was to be kind enough to accept as a Christmas present. The valet told the iron master that, on the contrary, the rat trap sailor had left behind a little package which Miss Williamson was to be kind enough to accept as a Christmas present. The young girl opened the package, which was so badly done up that the contents came into view at once. The young girl means the daughter of the iron master, opened the package, which was so badly done up. Actually, the packing of the package was done up so badly that the contents of the package came into view. Came into view means became visible at once when she tried to open it. She gave a little cry of joy. Seeing the contents of the package, the daughter of the iron master cried with joy. She found a small rat trap. In the package, she found a small rat trap, and in it lay 3 wrinkled 10-kroner notes, and 3 wrinkled 10-kroner notes lay in the rat trap. She found 3 wrinkled 10-kroner notes in the rat trap. But that was not all. But there were not only these things, there was something more than these things. In the rat trap lay also a letter written in large, jagged means uneven, characters means letters. In the rat trap there was also a letter that was written in large and jagged characters. In the rat trap, the daughter of the iron master found a letter that was written in large and uneven letters. Honored and noble miss, since you have been so nice to me all day long, as if I was a captain, I want to be nice to you in return, as if I was a real captain. See, this is the letter that was addressed to the daughter of the Iron Master. Actually, the rat trap sailor was greatly affected by the kind, gentle, and good behavior of the daughter of the Iron Master. He was so much affected that he decided to be a real captain, as the daughter of the Iron Master thought of him to be. See, honored and noble miss, the rat trap sailor addressed the daughter of the Iron Master as honored and noble miss. The rat trap sailor wrote that since you have been so nice to me all day long. The rat trap sailor wrote that the daughter of the Iron Master had been so nice to him all day long, even when the Iron Master was angry with him and was going to turn him out of the house. Then the daughter intermediated for him and treated him as a real captain, as if I was a captain, as if he were a real captain. The daughter of the Iron Master treated the rat trap sailor as if he were a real captain. I want to be nice to you in return. The rat trap sailor wrote that he wanted to be nice to her in return of her good behavior towards him, as if I was a real captain. He said, he wrote that he wanted to be nice to her in return of her good behavior towards him as a real captain. For I don't want you to be embarrassed. Embarrassed means troubled. At this Christmas season by a thief. He wrote that he did not like that the daughter of the Iron Master should be troubled, should be embarrassed at this Christmas season by a thief who was the rat trap sailor. But you can give back the money to the old man on the roadside. He requested the daughter of the Iron Master to return the money to the old man who was living on the roadside, who has the money pouch hanging on the window frame as bait for poor wanderers. The rat trap sailor told the daughter that this old man had the money pouch hanging on the window frame as a bait for poor wanderers. The rat trap is a Christmas present from a rat who would have been caught in this world's rat trap if he had not been raised to captain, because in that way he got power to clear himself. See what a touching line. The rat trap sailor wrote that the rat trap was a Christmas present from a rat who would have been caught in this world's rat trap if he had not been raised to captain by the daughter of the Iron Master. Because in that way he got power to clear himself. Because the daughter treated the rat trap sailor as a real captain, and this kind behavior of the daughter of the Iron Master gave him a power to clear himself of his crime, to clear himself of his sin, to clear himself of his evils. And in this way, he became a real character. See the line? The rat trap is a Christmas present from a rat. Here, the rat trap sailor has compared himself with a rat, and he wrote that the rat trap was a Christmas present from a rat who was sure to be caught in the trap of this world if the daughter of the Iron Master had not raised him to a captain. The daughter of the Iron Master treated the rat trap sailor as a real captain, and this behavior of her changed him into real captain, because in that way he got power to clear himself, and this behavior of the daughter of the Iron Master gave a power to the rat trap sailor to clean himself of his sins, of his crime, of his evil nature. And in this way, he became a gentle person. He became a real captain. Written with friendship and high regard, Captain Bond Stanley. See, these words express the true feelings of the rat trap sailor for the daughter of the Iron Master. See, written with friendship. Here, the rat trap sailor has expressed his feelings of friendship for the daughter of the Iron Master. See, and high regard. Here, the rat trap sailor has expressed his feelings of high respect for her. And see the last words, Captain Bond Stanley. Here, the rat trap sailor has not used his original name. He has written the name that was given to him by the daughter of the Iron Master. He left his own name and adopted the name that was given to him by the daughter of the Iron Master. Here we see that goodness has a great power. Goodness can change evil into goodness.